The ultimate guide to glue removal from fabric.
Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're tackling a common problem that can sometimes feel impossible to solve: removing stubborn glue from fabric. But don't worry, we've got the best methods to handle this tricky situation without causing any damage to your favorite pieces of clothing, upholstery, or other fabric items.
What will you need?
Before we start, make sure you have these handy. 1. Rubbing alcohol or acetone, nail polish remover. 2. Cotton balls or clean cloth. 3. Dull knife or spoon. 4. Laundry detergent. Always remember to test a small, hidden area first with the alcohol or acetone to make sure it doesn't discolor or damage the fabric.
How to remove dried glue.
Step 1. First, use a dull knife or spoon to gently scrape off as much of the dried glue as possible. Be careful not to damage the fabric. Step 2. Dampen a cotton ball or a small portion of a clean cloth with rubbing alcohol or acetone. Step 3. Dab the affected area with the dampened cotton or cloth. The glue should start to dissolve. Step 4. Once the glue is softened, gently scrape or rub it off. You may need to repeat the alcohol-acetone application several times. Step 5. Once the glue is completely removed, wash the fabric as you normally would, using your regular laundry detergent.
How to remove wet glue.
If the glue is still wet, act quickly. Step 1. First, blot the excess glue with a clean cloth or paper towel. Be careful not to spread it further. Step 2. Rinse the fabric under cold water. This will help to remove some of the glue. Step 3. Then, use a small amount of laundry detergent directly on the glue stain and gently rub it in. Step 4. Wash the fabric as you normally would. Check the stain before drying. If it's still there, repeat the process. Do not dry the fabric until the stain is completely gone, as heat can set the stain. And there you have it. The best ways to remove glue from fabric without damaging it. It might require a bit of patience and care, but it's definitely achievable. We hope this video has been helpful and will save your fabric items from the clutches of stubborn glue stains. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.